So you have a basket of NFT and are now perplexed as to what to do with them. If you're inexperienced with it or attempting to figure out what a NFT is and what you can do with it, it's not your fault. The crypto realm is still in its infancy, and as soon as we started dealing with cryptocurrencies, crypto tokens appeared, and it was inevitable that they would become popular. It's all a little perplexing at times, but that's why we're here. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our website. And today we will discuss how to buy, create, and sell NFTs on blockchain. Applications, primarily wearable, but first let us define NFTs. After all, how can you buy or make these things if you don't know what it is? As a result, NFTs are not the same as cryptocoins. These are essentially non-transferable tokens. Tokens are a type of cryptocurrency that requires the existence and operation of another platform, such as ethereum. These NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are now one of a kind and non-divisible. What does this imply? It signifies that it has a distinguishing feature that sets it apart from all others in the same class. So, if you have one non-fungible token, it may be valued far more than another. Non-fungible tokens of the same type, because each token has a distinct market value. Let's take a look at how it works on a 3 meters. The ERCC 721 standard defines non-fungible tokens. Because each NFT has a unit 256 variable called token ID, it may be used by any ERC 721 smart contract. The contract address unit 256 token ID of the pair must be globally unique. So if you send someone a token and receive a token from someone else, the token you receive will be completely different from the one you sent. This is the idea behind an NFT. If you recall, we previously stated that you will need blockchain applications to produce and sell the NFTs you have created. A wearable is an example of a blockchain platform. It is based on the ethereum blockchain, and you can use it as a user. When using the ETH cryptocurrency to trade, purchase, or sell a digital asset, digital artists can make wearables, allowing producers to publish and sell digital materials, artwork, and collectibles on their platform. You will have ownership of the goods you produce on this site. You can also earn royalties for your digital artwork. But, of course, before you begin making, selling, or purchasing NFTs on wearables, you will need, and signing up for it isn't as simple as entering your email address or phone number. However, you must log in using your crypto wallet. There are 5 crypto wallet alternatives. Wearables. These are automatic wallets that connect to Coinbase, MyEtherWallet, and Taurus. A Connect Your Crypto Wallet option may be found in the top right corner of the wearable web page. After you've added your preferred wallet, you'll have an account that you can use on wearable. So, how do you proceed from here? Let us begin by discussing how to develop and post your NFT artwork on the wearable platform. The Create option is clearly accessible on Wearable's official website. If you choose a single piece of artwork, you have 2 options for making your collectible a collectible. You can only sell it to one individual, and you can only do it once with numerous collectibles. You are able to sell, at a time, one individual at a time. Upload your NFT artwork once you've decided which one to use. We recommend that you include a cover and a description as well, because you will clearly need these. You will eventually sell it, and buyers will undoubtedly prefer a description of your artwork. Now comes the difficult part, determining a minimum price. If you set it too low, the exorbitant costs will apply. This will eat into your profit and may even result in a loss, so set your price wisely. You can also provide a digital charge or include a link to your file here. You can specify the price in ETH or any other currency you like. Wearable does charge a 2.5 service fee, so make sure you configure it properly. In order to be lucrative, the price must be set in a profitable manner. Following that, you must select a collection in which you wish to mint your artwork. You have the option of becoming concerned or creating your own collection as a content developer. You may also play with your collectibles by adding unlocking content to them. This implies that your artwork will not be seen until after. A change in ownership. Many artists make use of this option to include high-resolution files while creating official videos and secret messages. That's the end of it. You've finished your first NFT on Wearable. You can simply view your collectibles under your Profiles My Things section. It wasn't that simple. It was similar to uploading a file to your computer, but with different names. So you've just posted your collectible. So, what are you going to do with it now? Of course, you'll want to sell it, and the process is even simpler than making an NFT. Let's get started straight now. When you create an NFT on a wearable, it goes through 3 steps in conjunction with your linked device. A notification will be sent to the crypto wallet that you link to the wearable platform. You must provide your approval to the transaction. You will be charged a petrol price if you do this. The gas taxes charges vary greatly. They are mostly determined by the amount of traffic accessible on the Ethereum network. Once you agree this step from the crypto, you will normally be charged a large gas fee. The following step is to upload files and create tokens. The contract method is a word used to express the process of tokenizing your work and producing an NFT for this purpose. Once you have approved this message from your crypto wallet, your NFT is ready to use. In addition, a gas premium is imposed at this step. You will receive a notification on your crypto wallet to sign a sell order again. Once you have completed the signature request, your collectible is entirely ready to sell. You may sell your NFT on wearable in 3 ways. You can establish a price and sell it to someone immediately with a fixed price. It's similar to the purchase it now option on eBay Unlimited auctions. This allows individuals to continue submitting bids until you decide to accept one. Finally, a timed auction is one that occurs just for a certain period of time. It's quite self-explanatory. It indicates you must select a buyer within the time frame indicated. It is a simple process if you decide to put it up for auction or sell it to someone right away. If someone clicks on the Buy Now button after that, you will receive a notification on wearable. Similarly, in the case of auctions, if you decide who you want to sell your NFT to, the process is the same following permission. Your transaction has been completed, and you are now a little bit wealthy in the cryptocurrency world. That was it. It wasn't as difficult as you thought in the simple process of creating and selling your NFTs on wearables. So, are you ready to create your first NFT artwork that is both wearable and edible? So, what are you holding out for? Why not get your hands on a wearable? Also, if you like the film, please share your thoughts in the comments box below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back shortly.